In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Metatrader 5 on laptop. By the end, you'll have Metatrader 5 fully installed, opened, and ready to log in. Whether you're trading on Windows, checking charts in a web browser, or exploring options for other systems. First, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar or search bar, type Metatrader 5. You're looking for the official site, which is the safest place to download the platform. Make sure you land on the official Metatrader 5 website before you proceed. Avoid sponsored links that might lead to unofficial downloads. Once you're on the official page, you'll see clear options to access Metatrader 5. For laptop users on Windows, you'll typically choose the Windows download. There's also a web terminal option right on the page. The web terminal runs in your browser without installing anything, which is helpful if you're on a shared computer or you just want to take a quick look at the platform. It's convenient, but for full functionality and speed, the desktop app is usually the better choice. If you're not on Windows, the site also shows options for Mac OS and Linux. Those sections explain how to get the platform running on those systems. If you're using one of those operating systems, follow the guidance on that page that matches your setup. The process is similar. You'll download the installer for your system and then run it. You'll also see links to the mobile apps for iPhone, Android, and devices that use App Gallery. Those are great if you want to monitor trades on the go. For today, though, we're focusing on a laptop installation, so we'll continue with the Windows download. Click Download Metatrader 5 for Windows. Your browser will start downloading an installer file. If you're asked where to save it, choose your Downloads folder so it's easy to find. When the download completes, open the file from your browser's download bar or from the Downloads folder. The installer will launch and may ask for permission to make changes to your device. Click Yes to continue. You'll see the setup window with the license agreement. Take a moment to review it, then proceed with install. You can accept the default install location unless you have a specific folder in mind. If there's an option to create a desktop shortcut, leave it enabled for quick access later. The installation usually takes less than a minute, depending on your system. When the progress bar finishes, you can choose to run Metatrader 5 immediately by keeping the launch option selected and clicking Finish. If not, you can open it later from the Start menu or the desktop shortcut. The first time it opens, it may perform a quick update and then load the main interface with charts, a market watch list, and a navigation panel. Now open your Metatrader 5 if it isn't open already. You'll see the platform interface ready to go. At this stage, you can explore the layout, but to place trades or access your broker's pricing, you need to log in. Make sure to log into your account using the credentials provided by your broker. In Metatrader 5, you can access the login window from the File menu and choose Login to Trade Account. Enter your account number and password and select the correct trading server your broker assigned to you. Double-check the server name. Choosing the wrong one can prevent you from connecting. You can enable the option to save your password if you're on your own device. If you're on a shared or public computer, leave that unchecked for security. After you log in, look at the bottom right corner of the platform for a connection status indicator. A green and red icon with data flow confirms you're connected. Your account name and balance should display in the navigator panel. If the connection fails, verify your credentials and server and ensure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes a firewall prompt appears the first time you run the app. Allow Metatrader 5 so it can connect. That's it. You've navigated to the official site, chosen the right platform, downloaded the Windows installer, completed the installation, opened Metatrader 5, and logged into your trading account. Happy trading, and always download software from trusted sources.